Hey guys, what's up? It's Cash with Cash Chronicles, and in today's video, I'll be taking you guys on a room tour for my recent stay at the Melia Caribe Beach Resort, specifically the Garden Suites by Melia. First, let's start with location. It's just about a 20-minute drive from the Punta Cana International Airport, and you know we love a short drive from the airport to our resort. Check-in was pretty seamless. My friend was the one who booked the room, but all I needed to do was show my ID, and then we received wristbands that also served as our room key. These don't come off until your last day. So let's get into the room. It came with its own separate living room area with a couch and TV, as well as like a little dining room table with a stocked mini fridge, along with a separate bedroom area that came with 2 queen beds. The bathroom shower comes with the overhead as well as a handheld faucet. The toilet was located in its own section, which was great for sharing the room. And the patio was amazing. It overlooked the pool as well as toted a nice jacuzzi. The property does have 3 different restaurants. It has a buffet that you can kind of go to all day, a Mediterranean restaurant, and a Japanese cuisine spot that serves hibachi with the dinner show. This is an all-inclusive resort, so we did not have to pay for any of the food or drinks consumed unless you requested like top shelf or something like that. They also have 24-hour room service, which was A+. Melia Caribe has 3 different resorts on the same property, and in total has 6 different pools while located on the beach. When I visited in March, we were allowed to go to the different resorts and enjoy the amenities. However, I'm not sure if that has since changed. Overall, it was a pretty good experience at Melia Caribe Garden Suites for my first time staying in an all-inclusive.
You know you might pay for this. You know you might pay for this. You know you might pay for this.